Good morning. We are Team Green Tech. Our problem statement is a web application specifically designed for Indian coal mines to quantify their carbon footprints and explore pathways to carbon neutrality. Presenting Paryavaran Sathi. We have developed a carbon emission monitoring system. कार्बन एमिशन मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम माइनिंग की हर स्टेज पे यानी एक्सकेवेशन, प्रोसेसिंग और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन पे कार्बन एमिशन को कैलकुलेट करता है और उस कैलकुलेशन के बेसिस पे कार्बन क्रेडिट्स देता है और लास्ट में स्ट्रैटेजीज प्रोवाइड करता है कार्बन रिडक्शन के लिए. To show what our solution is going to do, we have developed a basic prototype. Here the user will first log in into the system and then he will go to the carbon emission calculator. Here he will calculate coal emission at each stage of mining activity. The resultant will be displayed in the form of a detailed report which will have three sections. Number one, data visualization. Here the result will be displayed in the form of visually appealing graphs and charts. Number two will be strategies and actionable insights to reduce carbon emission. And number three is carbon credits calculator. One carbon credit allows 1 metric ton of carbon emission. In this section, we will provide user the number of carbon credits required to do the coal mining activity.
Coming to a conclusion, our project covers 4 major points. Firstly, calculating the carbon emissions at each of the mining activities by using a deterministic modeling algorithms. On number 2, we have data visualization, which analyzes and represents the data in the form of attractive graphs and charts. On number 3, we have our carbon credits, and on number 4, we provide the user with emission control strategies. Thank you.